Namaste. I am Dr. Prashant Argade, Senior Lecturer from Government Polytechnic Jalgaon. In this session, we are going to discuss about Moodle as a learning management system. At the end of this session, the learners will be able to explain the need of learning management system and discuss Moodle as a LMS, that is learning management system. There are certain expectations of teacher for online teaching. That is user roles, how to assign the roles such as students, non-editing teachers, teacher who can able to edit the content, student enrollment, how to enroll the students for online teaching, how to develop a course resource, how to upload the open educational resources such as documents, presentations, and educational videos for online teaching. Attendance of students during online activities. Assignments, quizzes should be given online along with teacher should able to do grading online. Tracking of progress and able to form groups, slow learners and fast learners. Discussion forum, interaction of teachers with students or among the students for a given topic should be there, and messaging systems. These are the expectations of teachers for online teaching. But how the expectation should be fulfilled? It should be fulfilled with help of a system. That system must have an announcement system, that is it can able to announce the enrollment methods and it can able to send automatic messages. That system must have a structured contents, that teacher should able to upload the course resources along with able to form a discussion forum. There should be online test or quizzes along with assignment sections. Apart from that, that system must have a feedback system and attendance system. There should be a course completion tracking with automatic award of badges and certificates. The answer of all these expectations is learning management system. Learning management system is a software application for administration, documentation, tracking, reporting, delivery of educational course and training programs. So learning management system or LMS is a software application useful for administration, documentation, tracking, reporting and delivery of educational course or training programs. Learning is nothing but it will help the student to learn specific knowledge and skills. Management, administration, it includes documentation, recording, reporting and tracking of the progress of students. And system is nothing but the software application that allows you to manage all the teaching learning activities, that is LMS, Learning Management System. Features of learning management systems. Content management, that is open educational resources. The LMS enables the teachers to upload existing documents and videos and it helpful to share the presentations among the students. This LMS has a very good features, that is it has ability to import and export the content, so there is reuse of content, it is possible. Practice test, online quizzes should be taken by using LMS. Assignments, either submission through online text or uploading the scan documents is possible. Evaluation and assessment, that is grading. LMS has features for the testing and assessment. It will do automatic as well as manual grading. It will able to prepare a grade books, documentations, progress tracking. LMS has features to track and record the learner's progress. Besides, it can analyze exam performance and record which learners have completed particular learning items and which one have not completed. Through this progress tracking, the teachers can able to track the progress of students. This LMS has features to award the badges and certificates to the participants who have completed the course in stipulated time. And all these activity of LMS, all these features of LMS are available online. So there should be a no manual system. Benefits of LMS includes the accessibility. The course content of LMS is easily accessible to everyone. The content can be accessible on mobile phone too. So there should be interactive sessions by using LMS. It is a user-friendly interface. The LMS is easy to use, which means you have to invest minimum time on training and learning to use it effectively. Different tutorials are available on YouTube to study how to use the LMS, by which we can able to learn and use it effectively. It is a time saving. Use of LMS is a time saving, as there is reuse of content is possible. So it will save a time for creation of repeated content. It is a cost effective. Many of LMS platforms are freely available. Some of these softwares are open source software. Blended learning features. LMS has a blended learning features. So besides providing online features, LMS is also support offline learning and includes features for tracking, recording and assessing offline events along with the online ones. So it has a blended learning features. And last one, geographical independent learning. By using LMS platform, the students or learners or participants from any part of the world can enroll to the course and able to learn the content through LMS. Moodle as a LMS. Moodle is nothing but modular, object-oriented, dynamic learning environment. Moodle is an online platform that provides a custom learning environments for the students. By using Moodles, educators can be able to create lessons, manage the courses, and interact with the teachers and students. Moodle is a free open source learning management system. It is useful for blended learning, distance learning, flipped classroom, and e-learning. Benefits of Moodle based LMS. It is a user-friendly interface. Beginners also can able to use the Moodle by investing very small amount of time and having the training through video or reading materials. The teachers can able to use that particular interface. It has a very good features of content management. There is structured content management system in which the teachers can able to upload the educational resources in structured manner. The Moodle is easy for access for the students as well as for the teachers. Mobile applications are available for the Moodle. It will enable the students to motivate to use it and learn from the Moodle. Apart from that, the Moodle also has a blended learning features. It has online test facility, practice exam facility along with assignments. There is automatic grading system in which the grade book is automatically prepared within this Moodle. By using Moodle, the teachers can able to track the progress of the students and able to award the batches as well as certificate by using Moodle platform. Moodle web hosting on Moodle Cloud. This software allows you only for 50 students. But if you are using a Gnomio Moodle platform, which is an open source, it has unlimited user features. So by using Gnomio Moodle platform, you can develop a course for unlimited users. There is no limitations in Gnomio Moodle course. For the Gnomio Moodle course or as a Gnomio as a LMS, I have prepared a series of videos. First one is Moodle, creation of Gnomio Moodle course, how to create a Gnomio Moodle course. Second one is how to do enrollment by self-enrollment method. Third one is manual enrollment. Fourth one is adding resources. Next one is adding quizzes, part 1, part 2, adding assignments, adding blocks, awarding batches and awarding certificates. The link of all tutorials is available in description box. If you like it, watch it, explore it and start using Gnomio Moodle as a learning management system for your subjects. Thank you very much. Thank you.